Mark from Verbos Electronics, and the new thing that we're showing at this Super Booth is that we have put together 3 configurations. We're calling them collections of closed systems that are available for 3 different types of users. So the case that they come in is something that we're now manufacturing here in Berlin. It's very thin, so it's intended to work with our modules that are all quite thin. And the high quality integrated power supply is now the bottom of the case. So this is all ground plane and everything is quite compact. So this one is actually the Preformer configuration, which our intention with this one was to appeal to users who are doing live performances, probably improvised live performances like what I do, going into a club maybe with a drum machine and a mixer and this. And so it allows the creation of multiple voices at the same time, and our proud so-called CV row in the bottom, where the voltage multistage and the sequence selector, which were intended to work together, are right here together. The control voltage processor allowing the tweaking of those control voltages that are generated there, and everything is not only set up as a collection of modules that make sense together for this purpose, but also the way that they're configured in the case, the order that they're placed, consistent with the idea that originally came from Don Buchla, but something that I really believe in, which is the idea of the idea flowing from the user away. So starting at the nearest part with the controllers and the CV creators, and then flowing both away and to the right toward the final mixer and output, sort of flowing from user out to speakers. And so we were getting a lot of, or continue to get a lot of requests from users who sort of want to be guided in a direction for what they will get, and this allows us to sort of suggest a direction that they can go for certain uses. So we'll get to the next ones. Here we have the producer configuration. So the idea would be that the user is someone who's working in studio and has the ability to multi-track and go back and create more complex patches one at a time. So we've included the multi-delay processor. Instead of worrying about having so much voice, we have more ability to make the single voice richer. And the multi-delay processor allows atmospheric sounds that can be more finished and less immediate. So let me give an example of something with this. Finally, the last configuration is called the designer configuration. And our intention with this one was that someone who is creating soundscapes, maybe doing soundtrack or music for video work, who would appreciate having something that allows them to dynamically and organically affect the sound.